Diet and nutrition. In today's world, health is the topic of much concern for many. Diet and nutrition is something that should form an essential part of any health software. Diet and nutrition is a feature that consists of dietary instructions related to clinical conditions. About 72 conditions have been described at length. If the patient follows diet and nutrition along with medicines, he recovers faster from his sufferings. These instructions can be given out to the patient as a printout. The clinical conditions have been arranged alphabetically. The clinical conditions have been described in short with their cause, signs and symptoms, and dietary management. For more details and deeper understanding, please contact us on info@mindtechlive.com or visit our website homeopathy.com and mindtechlive.com.